Is Adobe Acrobat Reader stuck on a loading screen or showing a not responding message? Don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through several effective fixes that can get Acrobat Reader working normally again. Let's get started. Start by closing Adobe Acrobat Reader completely. If the app won't close normally, open Task Manager on Windows or force quit applications on Mac, then end the Acrobat Reader process. After that, launch the app again. Next, restart your computer. Yeah, this clears temporary system issues and background processes that may be preventing Acrobat Reader from responding properly. If Acrobat Reader opens but frequently freezes, use the built-in repair tool. Open the Help menu, choose Repair Installation, and follow the instructions to replace damaged program files. An outdated version can also cause freezing issues. Go to Help, select Check for Updates, and install any available updates before reopening the application. If Acrobat Reader only becomes unresponsive with one document, so that PDF may be damaged, try opening another PDF to see if the issue is limited to a specific file. If none of the previous fixes work, uninstall Adobe Acrobat Reader, restart your computer, and install the latest version from Adobe's official website. A clean installation often resolves persistent performance issues, and that's how to fix Adobe Acrobat Reader when it's not responding. In most situations, restarting the app, repairing the installation, updating the software, or reinstalling it completely will solve the issue. If this tutorial helped, leave a like, subscribe for more software guides, and thanks for watching.